Okay, thank you for coming. This is the first session of the 5 baby step lead generation system. And I thank you for joining in this Sunday. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello.
Okay, great. So I have stopped the video so that the bandwidth is better.
No problem.
Hope you can see the screen, right?
Yes, I can see the screen.
Great. So yeah, so it's instead of doing something else on a Sunday, you have decided to join in over here. So I thank you for that.
The voice is breaking. Hello.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Hello.
Can you hear me? Hello.
Hello.
I can hear you. Can you hear me? Hello.
Hello. Oh,
Hi, Darshit. Hello, Kostov. So can you see the screen, Kostov? Okay. Right. So this is all. I'll just quickly run you through. So this is the introduction about me. I have the sales consulting firm. Then this is the book I've authored, and this is the second book. This book. So I'll give you this book. This book has all the steps about this system. So this online workshop and this book is part of the entire program. So this book comes to you. It's got and you just follow the steps. That's it. It's so simple, right? This is what's your drive? Do you want to build a system? You want to build a side income? You want to share your knowledge with the world? And don't worry about lead generation. Lead generation is tough, so that you can focus. You can forget about lead generation because it should be on autopilot. You can unmute if you have a question. You can ask me. That's not a problem, right? And like I said, you don't have to learn the entire ocean. You just need to learn 5 things. This is the sequence, guys. This is how the lead generation will happen. It will start with a Facebook ad. Somebody watches your Facebook ad, reads your message, gets attracted, signs up for your training or your webinar, then goes to your payment page to complete the transaction, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. That's it. Facebook ad comes to you, reads your message, likes your message, decides to go for it. Whatever you're offering a training, you're offering a service, you're offering coaching, consulting sessions. Then they go to your payment page and the transaction is done. This system can be replicated to conduct webinars. If you're running an online coaching program, you can run online coaching, consulting programs. You can run online tuitions. You can run paid workshops, many more. I have run the system for webinars, to launch my book, to run online tuitions for my wife, and to run a lot of paid workshops. I'll just show you the screen how I've done. So these are the results. If you see the campaign, the Facebook campaign, the 5 campaigns, you can see the reach, the number of reach and the number of clicks. So I've not been doing this for many years, just maybe 4 or 5 months I've started, and you can see the cost per result. It's very less. Like you spend 7 rupees, 19 rupees, 20 rupees for each lead. So if your program or your coaching program, whatever is you price, let's say 5,000 rupees, 4,000 rupees, whatever. So you can see the ROI by spending 20 rupees per lead. You can spend, I mean, you can get back that money multiple times. Right? This is the same thing I've run for my wife for her online tuitions. She's getting students from Canada. So this system actually works. Right. So are you ready to start? You can just write yes, then we can begin. Okay, so I hope you are noting it down. I'm recording the session also, so in case you want to take, I can share the link with you if that's helpful. You'll be getting the book in which ways. The book has the entire system documented for you. Okay, so what's the first step? The first step is the message. So we'll go back to our PPT. The PPT says, can you see the screen, guys? Okay, hold on. I don't know, I'm just messing it up. Okay, this steps. Can you see the screen now? This, you don't need to learn the version. So magnetic message, you need to create. So we'll start with the first step, right? The good thing about the first step is done for you. I'll share the screen again. Just hold on. Okay. Guys, can you see the screen now? The Word document? Let's see, if you can unmute you. So I'm going to unmute you. You can speak. Right. Hi, Kaustav, how are you?
Hi, doing good. Thank you.
Right. So you can see the screen. The first step is the magnetic messaging. So this is the messaging system that has been done for you. So you don't have to do anything.
Okay.
We have researched on this. What is the structure of a good pitch? It has everything. This pitch that we use, we have broken it down. If you see, this is the structure of a pitch. What you will be writing in your website. So you don't have a website basically. What you'll be putting in your InstaMojo, what you'll be putting in your Facebook ad, and you can reuse it. This is like reusable template. So this is the structure. If you see the left-hand side, this is the structure, right? Who are you calling out to? Teachers and coaches. What's their current state? They're thinking that I don't know what's online marketing. So you're basically hitting on their pain areas. That I want to teach online, but I don't know how. I need an extra source of income, but I don't know how. I want to launch myself online, but it's too much of work, right? You're hitting on the pain area. So there's a relatability. You're talking to the teachers and you're talking to the pain areas, right? So when you build further relatability, it's saying that, I was in the same position some months back, conducting my classes at home. So this is an example of a teacher who's conducting face-to-face tuitions. So this can be applied to any scenario. You could be a consultant, you could be a coach, you could be a teacher, right? So this system is replicable. So the relatability is that I was conducting my classes at home, not happy with my income. I wanted to attract students online from India and abroad. So this is the relatability. Then you show them the promise. What's the promise? That, don't worry, I will not give you a lot of lengthy, boring technical courses. I'll guide you live. Then make them visualize. That imagine if you work with me, if you take my course or if you take my study materials, or if you participate in my workshop, this is what will happen. You'll get unlimited supply of students, control of income, right? Why? So if everything is so good, why they are not in the promised land? So you have to hit them again in the pain area. So it's um, like a sandwich system. You hit them with good things, you hit them with bad things, so that you drive the point home. That's the whole idea. So this is how copywriting is done. So we have done the copywriting for you, so you don't need a copywriter. You don't have to worry about, should I go to an agency? Should I, break my head? Yeah. So then you introduce yourself. Yeah, this is me. I do this, and after a lot of testing and trying, I've come out with this course. And you give them the promise that if you take my course, this is what you'll get. These are the exact steps how I will teach you. Then you keep up the halo effect, what we call the halo effect. That see, this is what I can do for you by going that extra mile. I'll give you free this checklist. I'll give you free a guide. I'll give you a WhatsApp group. I'll give you all the support that you need. So you're basically reinforcing the promise that you are giving it to your potential leads, right?
Okay.
Then it comes with a call to action. It's very important that what is it that you're offering? Are you doing it free? Are you have a price tag? You have a small price tag, or you have what you call like a tripwire. You have a small price, then you have a larger price, so you can let them know. Then you give the details. So this is what it is. This is the online course. This is number of sessions. Number of times you have to come online, offline. So all the details are there. Then you drop the bomb. Drop the bomb is this is the it just takes them to a different land. What we are so confident that if it doesn't work, you can get 50% money back. So you can be creative in your drop the bomb effect. Means you can offer them anything that gives them the trust that this person is to be trusted. I can work with this person. Then you give them some social proof like your website, your blog, your testimonials, your reviews, anything, right? So I will be sharing this. I'll just give out this entire document to you as a bonus. You can just copy it. Is this making sense, guys? Is
Yes.
this helpful?
Yes, totally.
Great. So if you have any questions, you can ask me on this messaging system. Else we'll move forward to the next step. So we are done with step 1.
Okay.
So step 2 says create beautiful images. So once you have the message, what we do is we create beautiful images. So for that, we are using a tool called canva.com. Right? This is my favorite tool. Can you see the screen?
Yes, screen is.
Okay, great. So this is where you go. So you have already fired the copywriter because we gave the copy to you it just comes to you. Just copy the copy. So you don't need a copywriter to write your magnetic messaging. Now you can fire a graphic designer because you can create yourself, just a little bit of creativity, little bit of common sense. You can create beautiful images, right? So this is what you can do with Canva. The book that will come to you has all the steps how you want to do it. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to create what we call, you can do a lot of stuff with your Facebook post, Facebook ad, ebook cover, YouTube. Have you gone through this tool, guys? Canva.com.
No.
Not yet. No.
Okay, it's a child's play. Even I'm not a graphic designer, but I see these are my designs. Right, this is what I've done. Is this impressive? I want to just show you. Let's see. Let me show you the full screen. Is this impressive?
Yeah, totally.
So this is so I'm not a graphic designer. I just did it. So if I can do it, you can do it. So these are some of my copies that I've been doing. The Facebook ads for my blogs, for my ebook covers, for anything. Basically, you can come to Canva. There are a lot of templates already pre-filled. I mean, pre-designed. So let's go to Facebook. So first step is done. Second step is we want to create a Facebook ad, right? So the dimensions, everything is done for you. You just click over here, and you can find many templates. So we'll do a live example over here. Costa, what's your business? What are you offering?
So basically, CSR consultancy towards NGOs and social organizations.
Okay, great. So let's do a live example. I picked this template.
Okay, yeah.
It's so easy. Any child can do it. Okay. Learn CSR consulting. Okay. Attention, NGOs, and who else do you target? CSR heads
Social organizations.
and CSR heads, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Something like that. So I would say there's 30% done. So maybe we can have a better picture, right?
Right.
You keep trying. So there is this so much of template over here. So we can search over here. Let's say what is the best picture to attract. Let's say we want to show something in Indian village. Let's say I don't know. It's there.
Yeah.
Indian village. Okay, so let's see photos. So you have an option over here, photos. It's got amazing collection. So let's say Indian woman. Okay, something's coming up. Okay, this is a good picture, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
So let's say I delete this. I drag this. I change the background. Little better?
Yes.
How long did it take? It took me like half a minute.
Yeah.
So these are some of the powerful features of Canva. I'll show you what it is there. So if I click on the three dots more, it has got integrations with all these stuff: Google Maps, YouTube, Pexels, Pixabay, Giphy. You want to add GIFs. It's got tons and tons of photos, free photos. These are free. These are not copyrighted or you have to pay for them. These are all free. So you can search your potential image that you are trying to figure out, and just use them. That's it. You have videos, you can have emojis, you can add music. So I would say start with simple. Have the way we did it right now. Have a simple background, have a nice photo, a very powerful photo, and your message. So you can add more. Let's say I'm not happy with this text. I can play around with this text. I have so many options here. Right? I can say this one. I can say comma. Is this spelling correct?
Yes.
Little better?
Yes.
Right? So it's just this child's play, guys. It's just child's play.
Karmesh, what do you mean by integration? I mean, those things that we saw, where do you integrate it?
So this is already done for you.
Okay.
These apps. So these are some of the free resources where you can get photos free, right? Pexels,
Okay.
Pixabay. There is unsplash.com. These are all free resources. So instead of you going separately to these websites, like I have to go to unsplash.com, I have to go to pexels.com, download that image in my computer, upload into Canva, right?
Okay.
So what Canva is so powerful that it has already integrated. You can let's say you want to use your photograph from Facebook, You can bring your own photographs here. See, all these photographs are in my Facebook.
Oh, okay, got it.
Let's say I want to use my photograph here. It will just, you're done. So everything is at your fingertips, basically.
Okay.
Right? You can change your background, you can change your photos, you can change the templates. You can, if you want to make this as an Instagram cover, you can just make it as Instagram. You can want to make it an ebook cover, you can change the dimensions. That's it. So once you're happy with this this thing, this is, so in technical or marketing language, this is called a creative.
Got it. Yes.
Once your creative is done, you can just hit this button, publish, download it in a PNG format. It is suggested to do it in PNG with a transparent background, right?
Okay.
And you save it. So let's do it live right now. So I'm going to save it in a place, wherever I feel like. So this is called Kaustav CSR FB ad. So is this clear?
Yeah.
Helpful?
Yes. Very much.
Great. So the more you play around with it, the more confident you'll become, the more features you can unlock. Right? So, and the best thing is Canva is free. So all the tools that I'm mentioning is all free. That's the beauty about the system. Other than investing in your Facebook ads, which will come, there is no other cost. Everything comes to you at free. Right. So we're done with Canva. Yeah. Do you have any further questions, or can we move to the next step?
No, next step.
Okay, great. So the next step says set up InstaMojo, right? So Canva is done.
I just wanted to, sorry, can we also make videos from Canva, or is it only for the creative JPEG?
Yeah, right. I think I've never done video. Just let me see. I think you can do videos. There are a lot of video templates available. Yes. See, the video.
Oh,
templates,
great.
right?
Okay.
So let's see how something looks. Let's see.
Yeah.
Use this template. So this is an entire thing. See, can you see the video playing?
Oh, yes. Got it. So these individual, I think, slides can be edited by us, right?
Yeah. So here, if you see this button, so what you can do is, let's say I only want there are how many slides? 10 slides, right?
Correct.
Just go ahead and delete whatever I don't want. I don't want this. I want to copy this same template. This is the copy button.
All right.
I copy it. The same format comes over here. Right? You want to add a new page. You want to change the background of the next page. So it's just like if you have done a little bit of PowerPoint, this is great.
Got it.
This page I want to have this kind of a video. Right? So done. I think this is like no brainer.
Okay.
See the quality of the video.
Yeah.
So powerful. And this is the upload option. Let me show you this upload option. So in this upload option, you can upload all your images. Like for example, I have done all this, my logos, my photographs, my creatives, my clients' pictures and all that.
Okay.
It is already over here. So Canva will save all your pictures, right?
Oh, okay.
It'll be always there. So you know that you'll be using these photos again and again. You'll be using these covers again and again. So Canva will keep it for you. So similarly, I don't use videos. So if you have a video, if you have multiple videos, you can just upload it here. Canva will keep it for you.
Okay.
Then what you do is just drag and drop. The entire tool is based on drag and drop. Right? I can just drag it here and done. See?
That's it.
Click, drag or click, it just comes over here. Any further questions?
No.
Okay, great. So we are done with Canva. Then we can move to InstaMojo. So InstaMojo, what's the use of InstaMojo? let me see. InstaMojo acts as your website, your e-commerce, and your payment gateway, right? It's a combination of three. You can basically do anything with InstaMojo. It's like within 5 minutes you can start your business.
Got it.
So we'll start afresh, start from the first step. So we will use, let's say, so this is the way you sign up. Go to the first page, sign up. So sign up with Google. So let's say I use an ID that I've not used. So let's say this one, Ghosh Karmesh. So you use your email ID. So this session is getting recorded. So this recording will be available to you.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So there's already a login. Let's see. Just hold on. Let me see. I'm not trying to.
Karmesh, use incognito mode, no?
Incognito.
Use a incognito tab, no? Then
Why do you use that?
no, if you are already logged in and if you want to log in from a new account,
Oh, okay. Like
yeah,
that. Okay, thanks. So I'm trying to find a login. Let's say, okay. So let's do something. Can you take control, Kostov, and create? I'll guide you the steps.
how do I do that?
I'll give you the control. Hold on.
Okay. I'm on my phone. That's okay, right?
See, you have my phone.
Yeah, I'm on my phone.
Okay, so I'll just. I'm trying to see. Okay, let me show you how it looks basically.
Sure.
I would say try in the another browser.
No, basically I've exhausted all the email IDs. I want to get an what do you call it? Not used email ID. That's the. I'll show you the book. Basically, it has all the steps. Can you see this Word document?
No, the screen is not on.
Okay. Can you see this now?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. We'll go to InstaMojo page 18. Right? Okay. So this is how you get started. So you click on free. You can see this thing. Zoom it. This is how it starts. You create free online store.
Right.
once you enter your email ID and password, it'll ask you what do you want to do. You want to just collect payments or you want to create an online store. So you have to use the free online store option, right? Verify your mobile ID with OTP. OTP, it's done, right? Then you select on free online store. Here, see, this is where you can see the second arrow.
Yeah.
This is where you put the magnetic messaging, the one that
Okay.
we have given you. Just copy paste it. That's it.
Got it.
And this same messaging will be used on Facebook and everywhere. So this is a reusable template. So this once this is done. So you have to basically, these are very, very simple steps. You have to add in your business details, give your PAN number, give your bank account IFSC code and all the stuff, right? Then it gives you a link to your store. It creates a unique link. Can you see this? Like for example,
Right.
instamojo.com/Shweta KWC. So this is the store for my wife, right? She's created an online store.
Okay.
That in the same way you can create your own stores. Then this is the step I'll show you right now, how to create a online product. So this is, so your coaching session, your CSR consulting, your tuition, your whatever you're offering, it becomes a product for
Correct.
InstaMojo. So once your setup is done, this is how you set up a product. You create, I'll show you the product right now. Use digital product. Don't use physical product, digital product, right? Click to select. I'm going to pick the same file that I did for cost of CSR consulting, right? Yep. This is done. So we'll create a live product right now. Add a title. So CSR consulting session for NGOs. The price is, let's say I'm keeping it 9,999. There's an option over here. Can you see the screen, right?
No, the screen is freezed, I think.
You can see the word file itself only.
Okay, can you just see this now?
Yeah.
Okay. So once you're done with the setup, you put your PAN number, you put your bank details, and it's a very standard procedure in InstaMojo. Right? Nothing complicated. Once you're done, it'll give you a unique link that InstaMojo / let's say cost of whoever, it'll give you a unique link. That's your link to your online store. So the online store right now is blank, right? You have to create products. So your product is basically your whatever you're offering. So you go to digital product option. Don't create physical product, create digital product, right? So I click here, click to select. I chose the same file that I created in Canva, right? Your cost of CSR ad. I select that. So that becomes my product basically. That, can you see this? Uploaded cost of CSR FBI dot.
Yeah.
So it is uploaded that. So it says basically upload the file you want to sell. So what if it was a book? What if it was a white paper? What if it was something that you're offering, right? And a checklist or whatever. So that becomes your product.
Correct.
So in this case, we're just uploading that image. Then I name the product like CSR consulting session for NGOs.
Sure.
This is my product title. Then here there's an option, make this free or use pay what you want. So depends on you. The way you want to run your campaign. You want to make it free. Let's say I have, for this example's sake, I've kept it 9,999, right? So here I copy paste the same magnetic messaging that was given to you in step 1.
Correct.
So let's assume that the magnetic messaging is this: hi NGOs, are you struggling to raise funds from large foundations and CSR organizations, right? So you can add a lot of emojis also here. We have to make it attractive. I hope everybody knows how to add emojis, right? So I'll show you a quick example. Let's say I want to show finger emoji. So what I do is I just, not that finger. So we'll use this finger. So I'll just copy it over here. Then I will teach you to raise funds in 90 days. So let's assume this is my copy, right? My marketing copy. Let's assume 3 lines. And you just give, my name is Kaustav and I am CSR for 20 years. Okay, come join my live workshop. Done, right? This has been done. So product category. So this is courses and education. Then here, add images. I again add the same image of the CSR ad. I put that as an image, upload it, and I can do a little bit of advanced settings. Like once they pay, what does it go to my website? So do you have a website? www.fapl, right? Something.
FAPL consultancy.org.
Consultancy.org. So once they make the payment, it goes there. Then you can add a thank you note. Thank you for your payment. We shall stay in touch. Done, right? I think that's it. You don't need to do much. Then you add product to store. Kastav, you're done.
Oh my God.
Store is ready.
Okay.
Right? So what you do is you save this link. You see this URL? This is your unique link. Wherever you want to promote, propagate, whatever. See, this is we kept a transparent background, no? So that's why your name is not coming properly. These are something you will keep learning. We'll keep learning on the job. So you will uncheck the transparent background, then it will come properly. Okay. So see, this thing has come. So anybody who, so this is your website come payment gateway, your e-commerce store, done. You don't need anything. So you save this link wherever you want to use it. Let's say you want to use it in WhatsApp, your Facebook ad. Guys, take this link and start paying me. So this is how somebody will pay. Buy now. Let's say I'm an NGO. I will use this Karmesh Ghosh. My email ID is this. My phone number is this. So once I let's see how it looks. Phone number. Right. Next. Invalid phone number. See, we'll give you all the options.
Right.
ATM, UPI ID, more payment options. Wallets, pay later, EMI. So if you want to give your clients the option of paying in EMI, somebody feels that 10,000 rupees is too much. Take this EMI option. Use your card number, EMI is done. Debit card, net banking, credit card. It's not. It's just cakewalk. Child's play. How much time did it take to create this? 2 minutes.
Yes.
So once your image is ready, your messaging is ready, creating a store, 5 minutes, done.
Exactly.
So once this is done, you can create unlimited products. Unlimited. You go here, add new product, right? I can create one more product. Let's say I want to do whatever. I want to do, let's say, a quick 2-hour live workshop on fundraising. I go to Canva, create a separate image, separate text. I upload it, done. So if you see my store, your online store, you can see how many products I have. I have this book, I have this discovery calls, I have free calls, I have online tuitions, online workshop, my books, everything is there. My mother's tarot reading, everything is there. So you can create unlimited products. So it's up to your creativity and your market demand, what you want to do. Okay, I'll show you one more small little trick.
Yeah.
This is your product page, right?
Yeah.
You go to more options. You add something called a discount code. You see this? So discount codes allows you to show a little bit of a marketing thing. So let's say I'll show you what it does actually. Did you see what happened?
Oh yes.
So if you want to run a promotion saying that it was 10,000, now it is only 1,000, just put that discount amount. This is how the page will look, like a small marketing thing. Or you want to run a special campaign for only certain group of people. You want to keep the product the same. Like for example, my book is 200 rupees, but for push start I was giving for free, right?
Correct.
This is how I was doing. It was 199, now it is 0. So you can create unlimited discount code. So go to more options and use the discount code option, and you can create. What if you have a website? You have a website, right? So you can create a payment button also. Let's say you go to your website and you write, I am doing this live workshop. You can add this payment button in your website. I don't know if you know. So I don't want to digress, but I'm just showing you the options available. So these are a lot of cool features that is available in InstaMojo basically. So this is all that you need to do. Any questions? Any doubts?
Karmesh, just wanted to know in terms of the fees, etc. InstaMojo will be charging. What are those in terms of?
Good question. So I put it in the book.
Yeah.
This is what InstaMojo charges you. For every 100 rupees, it will take 3 rupees.
Okay, so 3%.
Yeah. There is an option. Again, there's a cool hack. Let's say you do not want to pay InstaMojo. You want to pass that 3 rupees to your customer. There is an option where you can select that pass this amount to your customer. So your customer, instead of that 100 rupees, he pays 103 rupees. So you get the entire 100 rupees to your account.
Okay.
Right. So this. Can you see the Word document, or you cannot?
No, not the Word.
Okay. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Okay. See. It charges 2% plus 3 rupees.
So 2% plus 3 rupees.
Correct. So for 100 rupees, 3 rupees. So 1,000 rupees, it will be 23 rupees.
No, for 100 rupees, it will be 5 rupees, right?
100 rupees is, yes, 2% is 2 rupees, right? Yeah, correct. You're right. Then for 100 rupees, it is not 3 rupees. No, it is less. 2% rupees is how much?
No, you have written 2% plus rupees 3. For 100 rupees, it will be 5.
Correct. And for 1,000 rupees?
50 rupees.
2% of 1,000 is how much? 20 rupees.
Acha, plus 3. Okay. The 23 rupees.
Yeah. So right.
Correct.
So, yeah. And the standard process is that it will be credited to your account 48 to 72 hours, right?
Okay.
So if you want immediate payment, you have to pay another 1%.
Okay.
Right? So this is when you do your pricing, you have to figure out all this and bundle it up. So these are very nominal pricing. You won't even realize.
Right.
So let's say your business is doing well, so you won't mind paying this amount for such a beautiful service.
That's right.
It is seamless. It just takes off. It is no brainer.
One more thing, I also bought an online course wherein the course fees were around 4,999.
Okay.
But the convenience fees InstaMojo charged was around 400 rupees. 500. I didn't understand that because 500 rupees and it was written also specifically that this much amount is a convenience, and I had to pay total of 5,300 something.
Okay, so it was InstaMojo was charging you.
So it was clearly on the buy page that you showed. So I was the customer, I was buying. It showed the product price as 4,999, and the convenience fees was around 300 something. So the total fees came out to be 5,312. So I want to know, what is that convenience? Have you come across certain things?
Yes, I have come across. So it will be the same thing as your seller. I mean, from wherever you're buying the course, he's put that InstaMojo fees on you.
Okay.
Right. So he's making you pay the convenience fee. And were you using a credit card to buy that?
No. I used UPI.
UPI. Normally, I've seen credit card transactions have that extra convenience fee. Because if it is 5,000 rupees, so 5,000 rupees, 2% is how much? 100 rupees?
Yeah.
Right. And 3 rupees. So 103 rupees would have been the normal InstaMojo fee.
Correct. Correct.
So not sure why that extra
Okay.
amount.
Okay. No problem.
So maybe you can go back to the person who was selling you the course that, what's this fee?
Okay.
So normally, so the good practice is you take that hit unless you are a big shot. When you have made your name in the business,
Right.
you let the customer pay.
Of course.
If you want my course, pay it. So these are the fees. So that's it. So these are the steps you follow. The book has everything. You just follow 1, 2, 3. Blindly, you follow the steps. Any child can set up the InstaMojo store. And these are the fees. Any questions, guys?
Is there a limit to the InstaMojo account in terms of, say, if I think about doing a fundraising campaign for an NGO, and if the NGO wants to raise funds through this platform, is there a limit to the amount that I can raise through InstaMojo?
Good question again. When you start your store, it'll give you a limit of 10,000 rupees. Right. So I'll show you somewhere. There was a limit for me till last week. Because I start getting a lot of money from books and all the stuff. What you have to do is basically do a KYC with them.
Okay.
So once you do a KYC, that limit goes off.
That limit goes up to what amount?
I think there is no limit. I don't think there's a. I'm not. I can find that for you.
Okay.
I can get back to you on this. I'll write
Sure.
Question and get back to you. Right?
Sure. Thank you.
I have not seen any limit. It has not given me a limit. It gave me a limit till 10,000 before the KYC. After KYC, I'm assuming there's no limit.
Okay.
Right. So yeah, this is my. Is this share on or not gone?
No, the Word doc is on. Now.
Yeah. So this is this thing you can. So I showed you how to create discount codes, how to create an online product, and how does your product basically look like. Right. So are we clear on this, guys?
Yes, it's true. Yes.
I have one query on this. I'm really sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
I just wanted to ask, is there any product limit? I mean, like.
No.
Okay. That was my.
I don't. I've seen so many, gurus, digital marketing gurus, and teachers. They've got like I think 70, 80 products. So
Okay.
I'm assuming that there is a limit.
Okay.
So
also, Karmesh, one doubt. You showed in the beginning there is a tab for physical product also.
Yeah.
So how does that work in terms of then the delivery takes place how in terms of a physical product?
So physical product, I've just what do you call it? Understood how it works. InstaMojo takes care of everything.
The delivery part also.
Yeah. Yes. See this. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, I can see the
shipping now. So basically, it is a logistic provider.
Okay.
Right? Now because of lockdown, this blah blah blah, the support team, and all this. So I've seen InstaMojo is popular because of that. Small businesses who would I think they have a blog where they feature all the stories.
Okay.
Let me show you. People sell so many things on InstaMojo. I don't know. I think the blog or somewhere it is there. I can share with you.
Okay, sure.
So these couple of things I'll get back to you. The limit and this thing.
Sure.
So basically, I've seen jewelry. I've seen healthcare products. Instance on InstaMojo. So basically, you just upload those images, create those product codes, and InstaMojo will do everything.
That's right. So this is superb. I mean,
great. So after InstaMojo, a lot of people have come up, but I think this is very, very easy and stress-free, basically.
Correct.
Okay, so we are moving really fast. So we've done messaging, we have done Canva, we have done InstaMojo. Now we are left with 2 more steps. Okay, how to set up MailChimp Facebook ads. So Darshit and Kaustav, anybody has an experience in running Facebook ads?
No, I don't have.
Okay, I'll just show you the screen of how a Facebook ad, the ad manager looks. Okay, this is how, one second. You can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
So this is a Facebook Ads Manager. These are my campaigns. You have to not little. I mean, literally, you have to learn this stuff, right? How to create a Facebook campaign. Facebook will keep banning you, putting you in jail. This does not work. That does not work. Your placement, your budget optimization. So there's a full, you must be seeing on Facebook and all how many people are sending courses on Facebook ads, right?
Yes.
So I struggled a lot. So then I found a hack to that. Let's use a shortcut which can solve both our purposes. MailChimp.com is an equivalent to Gmail, right?
Okay.
It is the big brother of Gmail.
Hmm.
It is a powerful world's most powerful email service provider, right?
Okay.
It can run campaigns. It can do everything basically. It keeps increasing your. Can you see the screen now?
Yeah.
So you see the amount of features they have. They can run your social media. They can create your landing pages. They can in fact do shoppable landing page like an e-commerce store, like Instamojo. They can do it for you. They can host your website also. So these features were not available. Now they've started. So let's keep it very simple. Go to Mailchimp, create an account. Creating an account again is just like the way we create an account. So I already have an account. I've been using Mailchimp for the last 2-3 years.
Okay.
Yeah, 3+ years now. The good part is for first 2,000 email IDs, it is free. So unless you're planning to have a huge following of more than 2,000 people, you don't have to pay Mailchimp. It is free, completely free.
Okay.
Okay, so we're inside Mailchimp. This is how the Mailchimp dashboard looks like. So just follow the steps. Again, is there in the book what you have to do. Don't get baffled or overwhelmed with all the features and buttons and all that. We're not creating a MailChimp campaign right now. MailChimp is very powerful to run campaigns. Let's say you're giving an ebook free, like for example, my LinkedIn book. Let's say Kostov has a CSR book, How to Raise Funding. It's a 10-page ebook free, right? You can upload that ebook in MailChimp and run a campaign. It'll go to every person. Right? The way you saw my email, right? Kostov and all, right?
Yeah.
So that was from MailChimp. I don't have to do it. It is all automated, complete automation. It runs by itself. I can set the sequence. Welcome somebody. After 2 days, send this email. After 3 days, send this email. On 14th of May, you run this campaign. After this campaign, if somebody does not click, you send them this email. If somebody clicks, you send them this email. You're getting the idea. It's like a workflow automation.
Okay.
So, these are some extra information I'm giving you. I don't want you to digress and get confused. We will use MailChimp only to run Facebook ads. That's it. Right? Let's see. We go to automate here. Come to the main dashboard. There's a button called automate. Go to add. Create an ad. Okay, so I write CSR funding campaign. Select. So you can select your website, if you already have a targeted audience and all that. Right? So I select something. Let's say I already have an audience. So when you're doing it for the first time, it will show blank.
Okay.
So you can just move forward. Just hold on. Just hold on. It's showing Google here. I think they've added Google to my account. Normally, it will show you Facebook and Instagram by default. I'm just trying to figure out why it's not happening. One second. Okay, it says Google, Facebook, Instagram. Again. Okay, good. You see this channel, ad channel,
Yeah.
Facebook, right? You can edit over here. You want Instagram, select Instagram. You want Facebook. Because Facebook and Instagram are the same companies, right? You know that they're
Yeah.
parent company. So it will run these ads in both these. If you have an Instagram account, you can connect it. So your Facebook and Instagram is done. Then this edit audience. This is a little important because you're trying to picture that who am I targeting,
Right.
right? So first step is new people. You choose a country. Where is India? India. Who am I targeting? So let's also help me out here. Who do you want to target? Let's say you want to target people in Mumbai.
Yeah. Mumbai, Navi Mumbai.
Mumbai. See, it's got all the options.
Oh.
Navi Mumbai. Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
Bangalore.
Sorry,
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay. So this is the idea. So now you created your product. Now you little bit you're running like a business, right? So you have to think that let me run this campaign. So this is called campaigns. In marketing language is called campaign. You can create multiple campaigns. Let's say I want to target all the NGOs in Bombay region. Okay.
Right.
I don't want to target Bangalore and Ahmedabad. So you can just delete. Then you have to repeat the same step. Again, go here, automate and create an ad. Let me see my campaign that I'm targeting to small cities, Indore, Jabalpur, all those small cities, tier 2 cities. Let me run a campaign separately. So always keep your campaign separate. This is the best practice of a marketing person that I can give you. Keep your campaigns separate so you can track, you can measure them, right?
Okay.
And always have different messages for different people. So going back to what I taught you in the first in Canva, so the message that you will share to some rich NGOs, some NGOs are big, right? So the photograph and what you will write in the text will be a little different from what you write to smaller NGOs in smaller cities, right? So you have to play around. And the golden rule is keep your campaign separate. So this campaign, so I've let's say here there's an option called edit name. So I'm writing the CSR funding campaign Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, right?
Okay.
You can name this campaign. So I when I see the dashboard, I can see the campaigns. I can see how they're performing.
Right.
So I have named this campaign. I have placed this ad in Facebook and Instagram. I click on new people. Don't worry about all this other stuff. I select India. I select Mumbai, Navi Mumbai. Who am I targeting? Men, women. You can do multiple. You can only target women. You can only target men. Facebook has so much of powerful, insights. It can do razor sharp targeting. What age range are these NGOs? You do have to basically create a persona of your ideal customer, right?
Right.
So let's say they are 25 to age group, let's say 38. Okay. Interests. Somebody who's in CSR space, you're targeting. What would be their interest range? Interest, behaviors, demography. These three things we are covering it. So they reside in this area. They are this age bracket. Their gender is this. What are the interests? Let's say they read about social. Let's say you type the word social. See this options.
Yeah.
So I can target people. Facebook has so much of information about so many people.
Correct.
Who's doing what. So let's say I want to target MSW people.
Correct.
Right? Then let's say philanthropy. Let's see if philanthropy comes. Yep, philanthropy. Foundation.
NGO.
Non-for-profit. NGO. Wow. let's say we try non-government, something comes or not. Yep, non-government NGO,
Organization.
philanthropy. They must be following Bill and Gates. What is it called?
Bill and Melinda Gates.
Bill and Melinda. Let's see if Facebook has that option. No, Gates Foundation. Let's see, Gates, Bill Gates, Melinda Gates. Yep. See this?
Yeah.
So you have to picture.
Got it.
I'm targeting. What are they interested in? What books do they read? Do they read books like? Tell me your ideal audience. What kind of books they would ideally read? Let's say what is that book? Famous book. Stop Worrying. No, it's not that book. Is not there. Let's say books written by Zig Ziglar. Example. So this is how you build. You can build n number of conditions in this. The more target you narrow it down, the more successful you will be in your campaign.
Got it.
So once you build your ideal audience, think where are they, what do they do, and all this stuff. And Facebook, and just rely on Facebook. Facebook will do the job.
Sure.
And this is all through practice. You keep practicing a couple of campaigns, 3 campaigns, 4th campaign. You'll see this targeting becomes more and more better.
Right.
Then you save it.
I had a doubt on the audience part, Karmesh.
Okay.
You have selected new people. So what is the new? Once again, find people who are similar to your existing contacts.
See, this is what it is, because I've been running my campaigns. No? So it has, I've got like consulting leads,
right?
Got people from BPOs. I've segregated these people. So somebody who's interested in my book. So they're different audiences. So it is asking me basically, do you want to match those audiences?
Okay.
The kind of people, because they have the data on those people also. Right? So it is asking you that. But when you're blank thing, it will not ask you all that. Like for example, see, include a Facebook page like as part of your audience. This part.
Oh, okay.
So let's say if you have a Facebook audience, MailChimp can connect to that Facebook page or your Facebook profile, and what do you call it? It will try to match that audience with your new audience. So these are all features that MailChimp or Facebook provides you. If you go to Facebook Ad Manager, there are tons of stuff you can do. Somebody has written a comment on your website. Do you want to match that comment? Do you want to match people based on geography? Do you want to match people on their behavior? There's so many stuff. So MailChimp keeps it very simple. It'll just give you 2-3 options. You just select those options. That's it. There are not many options. You can see there are this or this. So you cannot go wrong. You save that. Now here again, add content. So let me go back to the book. Let me share. I'm just going to pause MailChimp instructions for a while. I'll just show you the book again. Yep. Can you see the book now?
Yeah.
So book. Here also in the book, I mentioned audience creation. I paused for a while in MailChimp and I've focused a little bit on this thing, the audience creation.
Okay.
So if you see this, these are the 5 parts of a Facebook ad. If you see any Facebook, we are bombarded with Facebook ads all the time, right? Facebook, Instagram. If you see this, they are the 5 parts. The text on the top, image covers the 80%.
Okay.
Your headline, your description, your call to action. That's it. 5 parts. And your image, this is again a best practice, or it is the rule by Facebook. Your image should not have much of text. You should have more of visual. So if you see this ad, you see the photo is more, the text is only less.
Right.
Otherwise, the Facebook will reject your ad. It will tell you to revise that ad and submit again. So I've written over here the best practices. Somewhere I've mentioned. Yep, best practice of using Facebook ads is all mentioned. How much of text, how much of image. So all this is there. So coming back to where we were there in the MailChimp. So we already have our creatives, right? We go back again. So we write over here, personalize, this is the heading, right? Learn how to raise funds from large CSRs. I go back, I upload the same cost of CSR ad. These are all one-time investments. You made your image, it's already there. You're not doing it again and again, and you're just reusing it. I say insert, done. So my heading is done, my image is done. Where do I link it to? Give me.
The InstaMojo account.
Yeah. So the link, I did not save the link, but so let's say this is your www.instamojo.com/Kaustav. Okay.
Yeah.
Title: Raise funds in 90 days. You're getting the point. You're getting the idea, right? How we are writing these copies. So
Correct.
basically, you have to visualize that if your end customer sees your ad,
Right.
what is going through their brain, what trust factor is built, what is prompting them to click on that ad.
Correct.
So if you write very simple language, not very over-promising, to the point, then you choose a button. What do you want to do? Shop now, book now, learn more, sign up, download, what? So in this case, we say we use learn more because we are sending them to the InstaMojo link, right? They will be reading the entire message that we've already put. So learn. Here you put the description. How do you put the description? Go back to your messaging. Copy paste the message, right? Let's see if it takes or not. I save and close. Done. This is how it will give you a preview. This is how your ad looks in Facebook, Kaustav. See that?
Got it.
So if let's say you are an NGO, will this be attractive? Will this
Brilliant.
prompt you to take an action? At least click.
At least click. Yeah. Correct.
Right? This is how Facebook desktop will look. If somebody is on desktop, this is how it will look. This is how it will look in Instagram.
Correct.
Good so far?
Good. Very good. Karmesh, can you just show in terms of the analytics on the dashboard, what all will I be seeing for this ad when it is running?
Yeah, I'll come to that. Let's finish this ad first.
Sure.
We've just created the ad now. One more step is remaining. That is your budget.
Yeah.
So depending on Facebook ultimately is an ad platform.
Right.
It is front end is free, so that you think it's a social media. You talk to people, you chat with people. It is not that. Facebook, their main business is ads. 95% of the revenue comes from ad. The more money you pay them, the better results you'll get. It is as simple as that. So I would say the first campaign that you run it with 300 rupees. It's giving me an option. It has already done the calculation that if I have to target Mumbai people, Navi Mumbai people in this range, I have to target these interests. This will be my budget. It has already done the calculation. 380.
But
it is not dollar. It is not dollar.
Okay. Yeah.
this is a little glitch in my book. It is also written there. Little glitch with MailChimp has. It does not change the currency. Okay. Even when I started, I was also a little apprehensive. So it is rupees.
Okay.
If you see this right hand screen, see this?
Correct.
It is written in rupees. So this part only it will say dollar to scare you, but it is not. So it is 381 rupees. Here you have an option. You want to run for 1 week, 2 weeks, specific duration. So here I am in control of my campaign. I want to run it from today, let's say Sunday at 1 p.m. I want to stop this campaign after 3 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, at exactly 1 p.m. it will stop.
Okay.
I choose the budget. So 381 rupees into 3. So let's say around 1200 rupees, right?
Correct.
I save it. So I've given Facebook for 1200 rupees to use. It will not exceed my daily budget. right?
Okay.
It'll say that I will spend 400 rupees, and it will do a lot of optimization, how best I can use it. There is even a huge science behind it. So let's keep it simple because this is a 5 baby step. Otherwise, it will become a Facebook ad course.
Correct.
We are trying to keep things simple. You do this, and I have already have my credit card number inbuilt over here. I put my CVV and I hit on the submit ad button.
Right.
MailChimp and Facebook will take at least 2-3 hours to review your ad. It will see everything is correct or not. After 2-3 hours, you'll get an option that your ad has been approved. Ad is running.
Okay.
Facebook has a beautiful app on Android or Apple, whatever you're using. You can track your campaigns through the mobile app, right? Because you cannot be always coming to the desktop and checking if my ad approved or not, what is happening.
Right.
So your app can track all your campaigns. Once your campaign is live, it is running. You can see every morning, you can wake up and see what happened yesterday, how many people clicked, how many. So because you'll get what the good thing about is, so this is the sequence, right? So somebody sees this ad, Facebook, let's say Facebook mobile ad. I click on learn more. It takes me to InstaMojo page.
Correct.
InstaMojo, somebody takes an action. InstaMojo will give me an immediate email that you have received a payment of 9999.
Correct.
This person. You get the email ID, you get phone number, you get the amount. So you're already getting all notification from MailChimp, from InstaMojo. So even if you don't check MailChimp, you know that people are buying or not. If InstaMojo is not pinging you,
Correct.
nobody's buying.
That's right.
Right? So this was the main portion, the major heavy lifting. So this is done. You were asking about analytics, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is how you check analytics in MailChimp. You go to campaigns.
Okay.
Here in campaigns, you go to ads. So here you can see, so these are all my ads that I've created. Can you see this one? Shweta Online Tuitions.
Yeah.
It showed it to impressions, 354,000 people it showed.
Okay.
It got 4,000 clicks.
Oh,
Okay. So this is, and you can see the ad, how I created the ad.
okay.
If you want to run the same campaign again, it will give you the option, run it again.
Oh, okay.
This was my budget. I put 3,000 rupees. I ran it for 5 days. Right? This was my campaign. I was running it over here. I was running only Navi Mumbai.
Okay.
To target for my wife's coaching classes.
Right.
So my ideal audience was women who have kids. If you see this gender.
Right.
I did not target any men. So I spent 3,000 rupees. I got 4 clients who paid me. So my ad money is recovered, right?
Got it. Yes.
So this is how you have to run these campaigns. This is how my campaign ran, and you can see the report also. Let me see. Facebook, obviously, Facebook dashboard. If you go to facebook.com and ad manager, it has got tons of details: click-through rate, lead per click, all that. So if you want to be a digital agency, but we want to avoid a digital agency, right? So we've already fired the copywriter. We've fired our e-commerce store, creator, website creator. We have fired our, Facebook agency manager.
Right.
So we are all doing ourselves with such a simple process.
Correct.
We have already fired a graphic designer with Canva. Okay. So this is so little bit time on this. View report I showed you. Did I show the report? No. Can you see this?
Okay.
So it has got only 1.1% click rate. That means 3 lakh people saw,
right.
4,000 people clicked. And out of 4,000 people, I converted 4 customers.
Got it.
I'm done. See my budget, it is nothing. I spend 500 rupees per day. What is see my cost per click? 77 paisa.
Cost per click. Okay, got it.
Cost per click is basically 2,000 rupees divided by 384.
Got it.
It's 77 paisa. Right? So we should always think like a funnel. So marketing is a funnel, right? If I am able to convert this 3 lakh people impressions. People reaches 1,42,000. Out of 1,42,000, let's say I have a 10% click rate also. I have 10,000 people to play around. If 10,000 people show interest, if I have another 10%, 100 people. If out of 100 people I can convert 10 people, I'm done.
Correct. Correct.
So it all starts from the top. The more people you show your ad, you show your offering, it comes down, you can recover your money. Okay, so
Karmish, one more thing. I did not see where was the step where you link MailChimp to your Facebook account.
when you okay, good question. It will automatically give you. When you do it for the first time, because mine is already running.
Okay, got it.
So when it I'll show you again. Cost of CSR funding campaign. 1 second. When we were running this or building this ad, you saw this ad channel. The first step is ad channel, edit channel. So when you're doing for the first time, it will ask you to link your account.
Okay, so can I in this way link my company page and run it through the page or the company profile?
No, channel means where your ad will be displayed. We are trying to display this ad on Facebook.
No, so what I mean is if I have a company account, Facebook account, and I have my personal Facebook account.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Mine is company page. Mine is company page.
Okay.
Correct. You're right. So you can have a company page linked to your MailChimp, right? That's what you're asking.
Correct.
Yes, absolutely. Mine is not a personal thing. My Instagram is personal. If you see my photo, if you see my this thing, it is my company page.
Okay, got it.
Right. And like we showed the ad campaign, you can link it to InstaMojo. Instead of InstaMojo, you can send it to your company website. Let's say you have a blog, you have a sign up page for a free webinar. Right? You can direct them to your company. In that way, you can get traffic to your website.
Got it.
If 1 lakh people, everybody is clicking on FAPL.com, there's enough how much of traffic you'll get.
That's right.
So this is so you get to play around.
Correct.
So I hope it's pretty straightforward and clear, right?
Yes.
Good. So this is done. What's the last step? Is set up a Zoom account. So I'm sure Zoom everybody knows. I'm assuming, right?
Yeah.
Zoom is. Why do you need Zoom? So let's say it depends on your product. Like for example, I am doing this webinar, right? I ran a Facebook ad. I got all these people, and I want to do a webinar. I want to make them pay whatever small amount to see the seriousness they paid. And I want to run this webinar. I want to explain everything. And then I want to make an offer that even enroll for better courses, live hands-on program and all that.
Correct.
So that's why you need Zoom. So basically there are so many options. So the whole idea of this 5 baby step is to eliminate options. When you eliminate options, you have less of confusion.
Correct.
Why not Google Hangouts? Why not GoToWebinar? Why not Cisco WebEx? No, let's keep it simple. Let's stick to Zoom. Right? It's the most simple tool I've been using for last 5 years now. Zoom, and I have a paid account. So free is for 40 minutes. If everybody knows, if you take a free account, it is 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, it will automatically throw you out, and all your leads and customers just go out.
Okay.
Let me share the screen of Zoom. Can you see the screen, or you want me to share?
I can see.
Okay. So Zoom.com. If you see, this is the plans and pricing. Zoom is free. It is great. If you have 100 participants, it will support 100 participants.
Okay.
Unlimited one-to-one meetings. This is the only limitation they will have, 40 minutes. Okay. If you take $15, like for example, I have a $15 plan. Everybody in my family, everybody uses it.
Okay.
Right. So it has meeting duration limit 24 hours. You can conduct 24-hour meetings.
Acha.
Right? You can have more than 100 participants. And so for the first campaign, I would suggest take the $15 one. Okay.
Okay.
If your product is priced similar way, in a proper way, you can recover your pricing. I have tried Google Hangouts. Right? It is free. Okay, Google Hangouts is free. Does not charge you anything. If you have a Gmail account, you can run Google Hangouts.
Correct.
It has such horrible what do you call all the bad things that can happen. Your video freezes, audio freezes, all the wrong things that can happen. It has happened on Google Hangouts. I have run multiple campaigns. Cisco WebEx is the most difficult. So now people are using Zoom, right? If you just send a link, you just click on the link, all your people are able to join.
Ah.
Yeah. Okay, one more thing I did not tell you in the beginning, that all these products that I am referring, I do not earn a single money. I'm not an affiliate to any of these products, MailChimp, Zoom, nothing. This is just an education series where whatever has worked for me, I'm just sharing the same knowledge. Now it is up to you, to just follow the process and get results. If you want to try and test whatever works, you let me know that this worked. So this is the 5 steps basically.
Okay.
Okay.
So here I have one more thing to say. Guys, any questions? Darshit? Darshit? Okay. Okay, so you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
So this is what I am also offering along with this free webinar. So this is only for cost of Darshit. Darshit is part of my client. I mean, one of my friend and slash client, Nilesh Jain.
Okay.
Darshit is his team member. So I did this session only for you two guys.
Okay.
I've not launched this course. You are the first people to get the book. You are the first people to get this webinar. You'll be the first people to get this course also, right? So the secrets to success, what I've seen in my personal thing is keep testing, right? Don't give up. Keep adding value to your customers. Make them come back.
Correct.
So here is one thing. I need your permission if I can just show you that offer. Do I have your permission?
Yeah, sure.
So what I'm thinking of launching, so you'll be the first guinea pigs or the first set of people who can try this. Is I believe there's a lot of potential because it's so simple.
Right.
Anybody can learn and they can see results. You don't need website, you don't need blogger, you don't need nothing. So this is the name of the program, that we will set up a deadline. Let's say Kostov has a product, has a consulting session, whatever. We will make you go live in 30 days or less. That means I will handhold you. We will put a date. Just 1 second. Yeah, sorry, I'm sorry. So what I was saying is, so we will handhold you. We will take your offer, walk you through each and every step. Canva, messaging, Facebook. We'll set up a date. That day we will go live. So I'll be walking. This is not an online course. I hate those courses where keep reading. Myself, I'm not a fan of that. I love live workshops where the mentor or the teacher is there. So this is what we will do. We'll create a WhatsApp group so that everybody can learn. We'll hold each other accountable, and it will be done across 4 sessions.
Okay.
First session will be messaging. We'll refine your messaging one-on-one. We'll do a worksheet. You have to get back. In the next session, you show your worksheet that this is what I've done. Number 2 is we will do on your Canva. We'll create your web pages. Your Facebook ad pages. We will refine your messaging and all that. Third session, you have to work on that. Get back to me with the homework. Third session, we'll create your InstaMojo. Fourth session, we will create your MailChimp Facebook ads. Set up Zoom. Done. So, and I've made the entire course structure also available. I'll just share the screen with you.
Yeah.
Can you see this screen?
Hmm.
Can you see the Word document?
Okay.
Right? This is what we will do. So basically, this is complete hands-on till you go live.
Got it.
We will give you the checklist, the book. I've designed a calendar. This is done.
Okay.
Check. This is done. Check. So you are holding yourself accountable.
Got
You paste it in your this thing and all that. Will this be valuable if this I'm just testing it out. If you
it. Yeah, of course.
whatever 1 hour we've spent, you can see that it's so simple. And if we go one step ahead, holding your hand, this is what I'm thinking of charging. So if you're interested, we can start. And if I show some results with you, this is nothing. I mean, absolutely nothing. Because to learn this system, I remember 2 years back. 2 years back, I had paid around 9,999, something like that.
Right.
Same system, exact system from my mentor. Right now, also people are charging. So this is absolutely throwaway. And the reason why I've kept this price is because I want to create at least 30, 40 case studies where people have used the system, got results, so that it creates a momentum in the system that this system is possible, and we don't have to rely on Facebook ad course, do a course on Canva, do a course on blogging, website, and all this stuff. We can eliminate everything and just run this course.
Karmesh, sold. We are going ahead with this. Just that I will. I want my team member also to participate and do it along with me probably. So just give me a couple of days, and this recording, if you can share, I will tell my team member to go through this entire video, understand the steps also, and then sort of he going ahead and do it.
Okay, great.
Yeah, so we are sold, no problem. I'll share this with my other director also.
So great, sounds good. So Kaustav, Darshit, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
So Kaustav and Darshit, now a small help for me. Please give me feedback. What do you think of this entire 1 hour? Was this valuable, helpful? Give me a feedback. Was I able to articulate, explain you? So unless I get feedback from my own students, I will not improve. So 2 minutes, if you can give me feedback.
Darshit, you go ahead first.
Okay. So the whole session was really great. I have learned something really new. Okay. The Canva was really something you can do your own self. It's quite easy, hardly a minute to create a particular photo of which you want to. Okay. As I'm from the HR department, I can create a photo for my different positions and post it. And second part was also not relatable for me, but I can use it for my different other business. Like as you are aware of as I'm like one of the company name as a TechStart, into which they used to provide like courses to students. For there, I can use that, add some like new courses into it, and do that business as well. Third step was like something as well good for me. And to MailChimp, it was something really new for me. Like again, more from Gmail, I can use that. It's quite easy as compared to Facebook ad page. I've tried Facebook sponsored page and everything. Like it's a bit tough for me as well. Over here, I can learn. I got something really new.
Thank you, Darshit. Thank you. Darshit, you're in Nilesh's team, right? Hello? Darshit, can you hear me? Okay, never mind. Yes, Kaustubh, if you have a feedback.
Yeah, so I think these days, lockdown days, etc. This is what actually we require. And since you also mentioned that you're not from a technical background, I am also not at all a technical guy. And these JPEGs, etc., make me actually go crazy. Ki how to make, etc., how to make these, how to upload these. But you showed very very easy steps. And highly recommended. I mean, wherever I can sort of share this course of yours, at least this one I will share, and of course the hand holding one also we will experience, and then we will share it ahead. But thank you so much. I mean, I'm sure a lot of research must have gone from your end to get this 2 hours to us. So yes, all good. I mean, and the need of the hour, and the best thing you and also one more thing I liked is when you mentioned that I am the first one to sort of sign up. In fact, I felt really good that you are starting off, and probably I being the first client, probably somebody else also will be my first client. And how does that feel? So I wanted to taste that also. So the kind of attention you will be giving to the first people is also what I wanted to learn and sort of implement ahead. So that is also one of the because I have attended a lot of webinars through these lockdown days, and people are already established. So I could not learn this fact that when you start off, how is it hand holding the first few clients, and and then sort of build on from there. So that also is a great learning for me. So thank you, Pradesh.
Wow, thank you so much. This is really encouraging for me. Now I think I'll use the same system for me to get more uh, this thing leads. So great, yeah. So I'm all for giving more than what is being asked. I always give more. So yeah, I look forward to your next step, Costa. We'll stay in touch.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, I hope the session was valuable. I enjoyed interacting with you.
Sure.
And yeah, look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, Pradesh.
Take care.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye.